Good morning students, welcome to online classes. Today we doing common nomenclature of organic compounds, and in organic compounds today we start common nomenclature of ether. We know that ether is ROR. Oxygen is functional group of ether, and R first hydrocarbon chain, and this R is second hydrocarbon chain. So in ether two hydrocarbon chain present and attached with oxygen. In ether we doing two conditions. First condition is symmetric ether, and second condition is asymmetric ether. In symmetric ether both hydrocarbon chain are same, ROR. For example, CH3O CH3. First hydrocarbon chain is CH3 and second hydrocarbon chain is also CH3. So both hydrocarbon chain are same. So this ether is called symmetric ether. Next example is C2H5O C2H5. Also in this ether this group is C2H5 and also this group is C2H5. So in this ether also both groups are same. So it is also symmetric ether. Second condition is asymmetric ether. In asymmetric ether both hydrocarbon chain are different. For example, ROR dash. So first hydrocarbon chain is R and second hydrocarbon chain is R dash. So asymmetric ether both hydrocarbon chain are different. For example, CH3O C2H5. First hydrocarbon chain is CH3 and second hydrocarbon chain is C2H5. So both hydrocarbon chain are different. Second example is C2H5O C3H7. First hydrocarbon chain is C2H5 and second hydrocarbon chain is C3H7. So in this example also both hydrocarbon chain are different. So ether ROR, and in ether two condition possible, symmetric and asymmetric. In symmetric ether both hydrocarbon chain are same attached with oxygen, and in asymmetric ether both hydrocarbon chain are different attached with oxygen. First we doing common name of symmetric ether. Symmetric ether is ROR. Both hydrocarbon chain are same, and first symmetric ether is CH3O CH3. For common name of symmetric ether, hydrocarbon chain write as alkyl, and in symmetric ether both hydrocarbon chain are same. So alkyl H2 for 2 alkyl di alkyl, and in last ether. So common name of symmetric ether is dialkyl ether. We know that in common nomenclature hydrocarbon chain is write as alkyl. So first alkyl group and second alkyl group, and in symmetric ether both alkyl group are same. So dialkyl ether is common name of symmetric ether. First example of symmetric ether is CH3O CH3. In this ether first group is methyl and second group is also methyl. So common name of this symmetric ether is dimethyl ether. Second example is C2H5O C2H5. In this symmetric ether both alkyl group are same and it is ethyl. C2H5 ethyl, C2H5 also ethyl. So common name of this ether is diethyl ether. Next example is C3H7O C3H7. C3H7 is propyl, first propyl and second propyl. For 2 propyl dipropyl and use last ether. So common name of this ether is dipropyl ether. Next is C6H5O C6H5. In this ether C6H5 take from benzene ring. This organic compound is called benzene and molecular formula of benzene is C6H6. Now one hydrogen of benzene is removed. So molecular formula of this group is C6H5 and C6H5 is known as phenyl. So C6H5 group is known as phenyl group and spelling of phenyl started with P. So in this ether both side phenyl groups are present. C6H5 phenyl and C6H5 also phenyl. So common name of this ether is diphenyl ether. So we complete common name of symmetric ether. Now we doing common name of asymmetric ether. In asymmetric ether both hydrocarbon chain are different attached with oxygen. First is R and second is R dash. So in common name both hydrocarbon chain write separately. दोनों हाइड्रोकार्बन श्रृंखलाओं को यहाँ पे अपन लिखेंगे अलग अलग. So common name of asymmetric ether is alkyl ether. So common name of asymmetric ether is alkyl ether. So common name of asymmetric ether is alkyl-alkyl ether, and both alkyl group write separately in this and separately name write according to alphabet rule. According to alphabet rule. So first example is CS3O2H5. This group is methyl and this group is ethyl. So this is example of asymmetric ether. CS3 is called methyl and spelling start with M. C2H5 is called ethyl and spelling start with E. So in alphabet, for this ether, priority give ethyl because E alphabet is coming first, then M. So common name of this ether is ethyl methyl ether. Second example is C2H5O3H7. In this is asymmetric ether. First group is C2H5 ethyl and spelling of ethyl started with E, and second group is C3H7 propyl, spelling start with P. So in both groups, E alphabet used firstly in alphabet and P coming after E. So common name of this ether is ethyl propyl ether. Next example is CS3O CH2 CH2 CS3. CH2 CH2 CS3 is propyl. Propyl represent C3H7 or CH2 CH2 CS3. Common name of this ether is first group is methyl and second group is propyl. Spelling of methyl started with M and spelling of propyl started with P. So common name of this ether is methyl propyl ether according to alphabet rule. Next example is CS3O CH CS3 CS3. In this ether, first group is methyl and second group is isopropyl. So spelling of methyl started with M and this is isopropyl. So for iso I, for propyl P. Isopropyl. Iso, tertiary, neo. All conditions are included in alphabet rule. Notice this point. Iso condition, tertiary condition and neo condition all are included in alphabet rule. So isopropyl and methyl, according to alphabet rule, isopropyl is coming first, then methyl. So common name of this ether is isopropyl for CS3 methyl, and for ether, ether. So common name of this ether is isopropyl methyl ether. Next example is C2H5O C CS3 CS3 CS3. First group is in ether is ethyl, and second group is tertiary butyl. Notice for this carbon attached with oxygen, and this carbon attached with other 3 carbon directly. So this carbon is 3 degree and total carbon is 4. So this group is called tertiary butyl. For 3 degree carbon tertiary and 4 carbon butyl. So this group is tertiary butyl. So in this ether, first group is ethyl and second group is tertiary butyl. So according to alphabet, ethyl starting with E and tertiary butyl for tertiary T, for butyl B. We know that iso, tertiary and neo, all conditions are include alphabet rule. So we use ethyl firstly. So common name of this ether is ethyl tertiary butyl ether. So common name of this ether is ethyl tertiary butyl ether. Next example in asymmetric ether is CS3OC6H5. This ether represented by another trick CS3O. This group also represented by benzene ring. So C6H5 is phenyl or benzene ring. In this ether, first group is methyl and second group is phenyl. Spelling of methyl started with M and spelling of phenyl started with P. According to alphabet, common name of this ether is methyl. For CS3 methyl, for C6H5 phenyl ether. Common name of this ether is methyl phenyl ether, and other name of this ether is anisole. This ether is anisole, and common name of this ether is methyl phenyl ether. Next is C2H5O C6H5. Both are same. C2H5O C6H5, C2H5O benzene ring. Common name of this ether for C2H5 ethyl, for C6H5 phenyl. So firstly write ethyl. So common name of this ether is ethyl phenyl ether, and other name of this ether is phenetol. this is anisole and this is phenitol. So we completed common name of ether, symmetric ether and asymmetric ether. Thank you.